this is really the amazing thing about this is feeding downward while this is drilling, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit because it's based on the rotation. And it drops the bit, and then it will spring up here as it reaches the stop. So it stops, and then you pull this up, and it should go in reverse. No, something's missing there. I gotta RTFM, or, you know, pay attention to things. But that's my drill stop. So it down feeds for me. There's a way to reverse it, I believe. Yeah, it is this reverse, or you pull this center thing comes out, or there's a knob missing here. This is the ratio of down feed. So here, so I can change that. So that was 3 to 1, and I can do 1.5. Let's take a look, see what the difference is. Let me just put this down for a second. I may need 2 hands. Oh, it's doing weird things, but it's old. And second hand. Oh, buddy, what is going on here? Okay, that ratio. 1.5 engaged. Anyway, well, looks like I have some kind of gearing ratio problem other than that. But this lever here, I don't know if you can see that. So this is the clutch, this is the feed, but I can't change this gearing ratio because it is based on something else being engaged. Let's try to find it. Oh, I know somebody out there is just yelling at me, going, "No, you idiot, you do this." Anyway, do I have to jog the motor? No. Oh, that engaged something there. I feel this loosening up. Oh, I feel it, yeah. Okay, this is 1.5. Whew. So the quill is up. It is engaged. It is now feeding at 1.5. So every, I don't know, there's some ratio of that. I gotta look that up. But it'll reach this stop. There is a way to reverse it, but I don't actually care. So I was at 3 before, I'm gonna try it at 6. So I'm gonna disengage this. That's now the down feed. This is up. That was locked, so, oh, wow, it was snug. We'll see how that goes. Okay, let's try 6. Try it again. All right, so this is now 6. Oh, it's already moving faster. You can see the down feed's going faster. Boom! Such an amazing machine. Made in America. There's a couple awesome videos on how to adjust this spring. I put a new spring in, and some I say they're like, it just has to stop. It's not supposed to pull up, like it's not a drill press. It's just supposed to stop. So there it sprung back up a little bit. So it went there and it went back up. So that might be a tad tight, but I do kind of like that as it backs off. So I built this little, it's not a jig. This is not a fence, no offense. But I'm going to drill some 1-inch holes into some stuff and give her a go.